Aquarius. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Kwentuhan po tayo. Kwentuhan tayo. January 18. Yeah, January 18 is new moon. Meron pong new moon. So, ang message niya is about setting long-term goal. Yeah? So, bagong taon, bagong long-term goal ang kailangan natin planuhin. Also taking responsibility. Kung ano po yung ating decision, meron pong effect yan. May effect. Decision or indecision. At what else? Prepare for new growth and opportunities. Paghandaan. Paghandaan natin yan, Aquarius. Yeah? Okay, game na tayo. So, general reading po. Shout out kung maka-resonate. Kung hindi, sa susunod po. Yeah? Kape-kape po tayo, fellow OFW. Relax, chillax tayo. Aquarius. Oops. Okay, may hangover pa sa Aquarius. What Aquarius needs to know? January 18, new moon. Give me one card. Storyboard. Yeah? Okay. Ten of Swords. Aquarius, air sign. Headspace, meron kang tinapos, meron tayong ginawa dito, 2025, we just want to end and start fresh, yeah? Pagtapos ng gabi, bukang liwayway, masakit, nasaktan tayo, nagkasakit ka masakit sa ulo, no problema, but everything must come to an end, yeah? So ano yung tinapos mo dyan? Yeah? Or mo gusto mong tapusin towards January 26 kasi sa palagay mo it's no longer working out, yeah? Preparation long term. Isulat mo sa journal mo yan. Isulat mo sa journal mo 2026 parang New Year's resolution, yeah? Kasi hindi tayo mag-grow unless we keep stuck sa sitwasyon na hindi naman beneficial to us. Okay, give me one card. January 18, long-term goal, new moon, reading, Aquarius. Yeah? Okay. Six of Swords. Ay, kapag tapos ng sakit ng ulo, gusto mo naman pumunta sa matahimik na lugar. Somewhere you can connect. Somewhere na walang ingay, na walang chismis, na walang social media, walang bashing, walang drama. Yeah? Okay. Set that long-term goal towards the new moon. Okay. Ituloy natin. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung message ng new moon sa kaibigan nating Aquarius. Tingnan natin. What's the message? Oops, naiwan tong isa. Okay, isinod ko sa dito. Yeah? Okay. Isa pa. Para makuha natin yung sustansya ng message kay Aquarius. Ilagay ko siya dito. Yeah? Okay. Yeah? Okay, game na tayo. New Moon, January 18. What Aquarius needs to know? Ano yung message? Ano yung message for Aquarius? Yeah? Ano yung message for Aquarius? Yeah? Tingnan natin. Bigyan mo ako ng blind spot niya. Blind spot. Give me one card. Give me one card for Aquarius. Give me blind spot. One card. Yeah, okay. Okay. Lumilitaw madalas ito. Okay. Okay. Limiting belief. Okay? Five of Pentacles. Yung struktura. Yeah? Isimbahan. Nasa labas ka, out of place. Kasi hindi ka nila type. Kasi maitim ka. Hindi ka nila type kasi mas maganda sila. Or mas maganda ka, hindi mo sila type. Or hindi ka nakapag-aral sa mamahaling eskwelahan. Yun ang sinabi ng struktura. Yeah? Limiting belief, out of place, you feel outside in the cold. Nag-iisa ka. Pero, ang sagot dyan, find your tribe. Okay? Find your tribe. It's not discrimination. It's not na hindi ka mas superior or less inferior ka sa iba, pero that's how it is. Anything na pentacle is structure. Yeah, hindi natin malalabanan 'yan. 'Yun ang sinabi sa ng gobyerno, sinabi sa ng simbahan, sinabi ng pare, sinabi ng madre, sinabi ng teacher mo, mataba ka, pandak ka, bungi ka, matanda ka, kalbo ka, istruktura yan, inilagay ka sa kahon. Yeah? So, is that something na gusto mong alisan? To be part ng growth mo at to open more opportunity is to get out of this Five of Pentacle. Limiting belief. Yeah? Inano ka, nilagay ka sa kahon. Yeah? So, if you're stuck in that situation, you need to get out of that for 2026 kasi there's no opportunities. Nasa ano na ilagay ka sa dekahon na hindi ka pwedeng maging artista dahil sa pandak ka or mataba ka or those kind of things. Those are limiting belief. Yun ang minsan nakakapagpigil sa growth natin. Okay? The moon, Pisces, walang clarity kasi hindi mo alam kung itim o puti. ESP or intuition or kutob, sa palagay mo na tama ka o tama sila o alam mo kung ano ang nararapat sa'yo. Ito yung mga nagtatanong tayo minsan na, bakit ako ganito? Or bakit sila nagawa nila iyon? Yeah? Wait for that full moon on January 3. I-check mo Aquarius kung may message ang full moon sa January 3. Ang reading na ito ay new moon sa January 18. Okay? There's a message na mapipick up mo. If you are ending something kasi ayaw mo namang discriminate, gusto mo rin na to flourish. Yes? Lahat tayo, gusto natin na magbago yung ating sitwasyon. Ayaw na natin ng kahirapan or boredom. This is boredom. This is structured na dinidikta sa iyo ng society. Yeah? Hindi ka pwede magtrabaho sa BPO kasi kahera ka ng, like that. Or hindi ka marunong mag-English or mali-mali English mo. Yes, that's how it is. Yeah. Hindi ka mag-grow kasi you accepted that. Tinanggap mo yung dikta ng society sa iyo. Okay. Pero hindi yun ang pero yung message ng new moon, no, wag. Wag. Take responsibility. Okay. Bigyan natin pa ng another message si Aquarius. Aquarius. What you need to know. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. One card lang. One card, Aquarius. One card. Okay. One card. Yeah. Okay. See? So, bakit ka magtsatsaga dun sa sitwasyon mo samantalang meron kang opportunity and also clarity. You are smart. Okay? Ace is headspace. Aquarius is an air sign. Yeah? In tune mo. Okay? Lumitaw yung buwan. Pisces, emotion, hindi malinaw. Ngayon, mag-calculate ka. Yeah? This is part of your assignment. Long-term goal, yes, and taking responsibility para ma-achieve mo yung growth na hinahanap mo. Yeah? Research. Do your own research. Kung kailangan mo mag-enroll, something, gusto mo maging modelo, panda ka. So, Baka meron namang modelo na ano lang, para sa makeup, maganda naman yung kutis mo. Ganon tipo yan. Yes? So, infinite possibility. Kasi kino-confine mo yung sarili mo sa dikta ng kapitbahay o sa dikta ng society at sa dikta ng social media. Matalino ka, i-research mo yan, baybayin mo at huwag kang makinig sa mga aswang na naninira sa'yo. Yeah, study and research. Infinite possibility, that's the, yeah, infinity symbol. Yes? So, kung singer ka na pero hindi ka naman magandang kumanta, baka pwede kang maging singer pa rin pero um, baka pwede kang maging rapper. Those kind of thing. That's the message of infinity symbol. Endless possibility. Kasi itong Five of Pentacles, yan, no? Simbahan yan eh. Istruktura yan eh. Yan yung edukasyon. Minold ka, Aquarius, ng society, ng dikta ng istruktura na minsan hindi na moderno at makaluma na. Yeah? That's how it is. That's your blind spot. Meron kang talento na hindi mo nalalaman. So, wag mong sayangin. Yeah? Take ownership and responsibility kung yung growth na hinahanap mo for 2026 ay mag-open ang new opportunity at more financial stability. Yeah, but there's a new beginning here. Okay? I-research mo lang. Okay, ituloy ko pa. Ituloy pa natin. Meron pang message dito. Okay. Okay, ulitin ko po. Ang new moon, January 18, iset daw yung long-term goal. Yeah? Pag sinet mo yan, take responsibility. Yung mga decision. Kasi minsan natatakot tayo. Minsan maraming dahilan. Yeah? Maraming dahilan po. Iba-iba tayo ng katayuan sa buhay. Ngayon, mag-open tayo mag-open po yung new opportunities and prepare for new growth. Yun po. Yun ang, it's a sequence. Pero kailangan paglabanan natin yung inner work. May inner work. Yeah? Inner work yan. Inner work. Magagaling sa loob natin yan. Okay, tingnan natin. One more card. Blind spot. Blind spot. Aquarius. What else? Aquarius needs to know. Give me blind spot. Yeah? Ready ka na sa bagong panimula? Zero, the Fool. Yes? Wag kang magpahila sa mga kababawan. Okay? Minsan kailangan mo ring maging tapagtawanan mo na lang yung sitwasyon. Yes? Masyado kang controlling minsan. Okay? Yung pangarap mo mahirap ma-achieve. Yan yung mountain. Yan ang meaning ng dream sa tarot. Yeah, pangarap po yan. Mahirap, hindi po madali. Pero kung i-reset mo, walang expectation, just go with the flow. Be playful. Okay, isang nakikita ko yan. Huwag masyadong seryoso. Baka itong Aquarius na nasa harapan ko is masyadong seryoso. Okay? Minsan, when we become playful and simple things, parang bata, diba? Mas magaang yung dumarating, yung solution, minsan nasa harapan mo pala. Kasi masyado kang academic. Yeah, I can see there. Yeah, oh. Nag-calculate ka ng nag-algebraic expression pa rito ng ano ba ito? Yeah, okay. You know how it is. Sa eskwelahan yan, istruktura eh. Hindi natin matakasan. Hindi natin matakasan. Pero be playful. That's how it is. You're gonna get your long-term goal and growth. Yeah, opportunity. Mas magaang darating sa'yo. Okay. One more blind spot. Aquarius. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Aquarius. What Aquarius needs to know. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. One more blind spot. One more. Oops. Okay. Nasaan siya? Okay. Hindi sa'yo ito. Hindi sa'yo ito. Hindi sa'yo ito. Hindi sa'yo ito. Okay. Sorry, okay. Anuhin ko lang siya. Okay, gisingin ko, may hangover. Okay. One more card. Aquarius. Okay. Okay. Ten of Sword. Yeah, okay. Inulit niya. Okay. Ten of Sword. Okay. Hindi ko na babasahin yan. But this is a painful ending. Yeah? Ang painful ending, minsan ano po yan, internal. Yes? Halimbawa, napagsabihan tayo, masakit na pananalita. Yes? Pero minsan, ayaw natin tanggapin, pero it's their harsh reality. Yeah? Kamukha na lang sinabi ko na, okay, panda ka, hindi ka pwedeng maging modelo. Yes, it's a harsh reality. Kasi bata ka pa lang, gusto mo na, nangarap ka. Yes, yun ang plano mo. Nakikita natin sa TV, malaki yung kinikita. Yeah, totoo yan, endorsement. But, once you accepted that harsh truth at magre-research ka, hindi ka pwedeng maging model kasi 4 feet ka lang. Kailangan 6 feet ang flight attendant. Mga ganun tipo. Okay? The more you will understand na meron kang ibang talent na you can grow and take responsibility at mag-grow ka pa rin. Na pwede ka palang maging skincare model kasi maganda yung skin mo. That's how you do your alchemy. Okay? That's how you take control and take responsibility. Yeah? Hindi nangangahulugang pag nasaktan tayo, hindi na tayo tutuloy. Yeah? Be playful. Kaya lumitaw yung the full dito. Okay? Take another, one step forward, 10 step backward. Pero pag nag-forward ka na, take responsibility, wala nang urungan. Okay? Wala nang urungan. Okay? Aalisin mo na yung naririnig mo, hindi ka na maapektuhan sa mga naysayer at sa mga chismoso na nag-undermine ng talent mo. Yeah? Kasi sabi dito, pilantod ka, hindi ka pwedeng maging dancer. Yeah? Okay. Pero baka pwede ka naman maging DJ at mag-spin ng record. That's how it is. You're still in that music industry. Ganun po yan. Take the leap of faith. Huwag kang mahiya. Pabayaan mong pagtawanan ka. That's how you gonna grow. That's where you prepare your new growth at dyan mag-open ang abundance. Again, Queen of Pentacles, hindi siya naging queen kung hindi siya pinagtawanan. Yeah? Naging clerk yan. Naging supervisor, naging apprentice, bago siya naupo doon sa trono. That's struktura ng buhay. Hindi natin matatakasan yung struktura. Yeah? That's how the society works. Pero it doesn't mean na you're gonna get stuck dahil sa define ka ng society. No. Matalino ka, Aquarius, you just need to do your research. You have that infinite possibilities. Nag-open na sa'yo. Ace of One is the recognition and the award. You just need to own that. Okay? New Moon message, long-term goal, assignment mo yan. Take responsibility. Pabayaan mo silang pagtawanan ka at i-bash ka. Huwag mo silang pansinin. Yeah? Maraming bitter. That's how you gonna learn and grow. Hawak mo lang yung dream mo. Hawak mo lang yung dream mo. Wala kang ibang dala. Okay? Konting baon and konting anything, a little. Yeah? Start to zero to reset. Yes? And that's how you get your clarity and your money and your abundance. So, for 2026, January 18, keep that in mind and you're gonna go there to that happy place na hinahanap mo. Kalimutan mo na ito. Ten of Sword, that's done. Okay? So, magpapakape ka Aquarius. Yeah? Okay. Hintayin mo yung birthday reading mo. Gagawin ko yan especially for Aquarius. Okay. One Moon Oracle reading. One last message for Aquarius. Aquarius. One more Moon reading. Aquarius. Yeah. Okay. Virgo. Merong Virgo placement. Sabi dito, issues surrounding health and exercise may come to the fore. Focus on your physical well-being. Yeah? Okay. Again, hindi ko na-pick up to. So, apology kung merong related sa health issue kasi because of this one. Yeah? So, however, it doesn't mean, sabi ng universe here, na you're gonna stay stuck on that. Yeah? Okay. There's also opportunity in a different spectrum. Yun ang sinasabi po rito. Lahat tayo pupunta doon sa direction na abundance. Iba-iba lang tayo ng assignment at proyekto at babaybaying hagdanan. Okay? You're gonna have that clarity as well. So, for Aquarius who are having health issue, iba yung ruta. Yeah? Let's not compare dun sa iba na iba yung pinanggalingan or something to that effect. Meron ka pa ring abundance na hinahanap, yung ruta mo, iba lang yung step. But, you're gonna undergo also that full card. Yes? So, claim that, plant that intention, long-term goal, and then that's where you're gonna have that growth at opportunity. Yeah? Okay. So, Aquarius. So, salamat at hope you enjoy the reading. Ingat po tayo.